Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Roshan. Let's see what can happen for the coming week. We will plan for the entire week, so video might go a bit long. Have patience and watch it completely, okay? See, first we will check Nifty on our way, price action of way. See, if you see here, a green candle which made a high, then next red candle which made further high and then went down. So this makes a dark cloud cover, and next red candle was a confirmation which closed below the closing of few days candles, and next day it filled the gap, a small gap which was here. So it has filled the gap and now it has taken support and closed at 11,075. So the trend will continue if it will not be able to held 1125 025. If that will be broken, then straight away we are going towards 10,900 850 as well. First target would be here 900 and second target would be 850. So straight away if it breaks, then 11,000 11,950, this level 920 12, and then maybe further towards 856. And when should we buy? Only above these candles closing, only above this candles closing, that is 11,150. If it won't be able to break that, then I would say it will be lower high, and then it will be like come down, go back, and then come down. So be ready for that. I hope it clears your mind. A dark cloud cover at a resistance works similarly as a what you call a good indication at support. So just take it like it has got rejected already, it got confirmed on Friday. It was more of a range bound market, but for coming week be ready for a downside target of 820 830 up to, or maybe if that breaks, then we are going straight away towards 500 again. And if it won't be able to break that, say for example I see 200 MA is placed around these levels. So if that won't be able to get broken, then a fall towards this level and then a bounce back towards higher levels. So be ready with that with Nifty. Let's check Bank Nifty. So if you see Bank Nifty, I was saying that it has not ran a lot as compared to Nifty, but now I would say it is also in some sort of range here. If you see from 23,000 to 21,000, it has been trading inside this range. So any side a great movement will come only below 21,300 250 odd levels. If it will be able to break that, then we are going towards the next lows of 20,500 as well, or maybe 20,000 as well. That's what I was saying when it was making these candles. I mean precisely this candle. I said that if it will be able to break 21,800, then it will go towards these levels and these levels. I said precisely. So be ready to sort it if it breaks these levels decisively. But here if you see, it's a hammer kind of pattern at nearby support. So if it takes support of this level, then we might be able to see further upside on this script, and that will depend mainly on ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. So let's check those stocks as well. Let's check Reliance first. So traders, if you remember, I was shouting again that if RSI reaches around 76 levels, then go short on it. But it made further high and then RSI went up to 80 and then it got reversed. So here also you can see same kind of pattern. So I have drawn some levels on this with lower time frame. So let me go back to lower time frame. If you see here, my plan is 2130 will still act as a good resistance. If it won't be able to break that, then the trend will continue on the downside. On the downside, we might be able to see 2000, 2050 to 2000, and then maybe towards 1950 as well. So it will depend how it goes. But if it takes support of 2050 or 2000, then we might be able to see more pullback on this script. But you know, you need to understand one thing: all the hype was created only because of the result, and once the result is out, we might see that it might correct up to good level because it has run a lot. So if you see in larger time frame, if I zoom in, then you will see that it has run a lot. So if it corrects up to 1950 or 1830 as well, there won't be any wonder. Ideally, I would say if it breaks 2050, then it will be more weak, and then we might see a downside journey. And then you can see we have few gaps to fill as well around these levels. So maybe we are going all the way to these levels. Keep that in mind, traders, and then take trade. Rest, I would suggest you should always follow the 20 MA and 200 MA, which I have explained in one of the video, whose link I will share in the description box of this video. That will always help you. Then let's check HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank in smaller time frame, you can see it has closed at a good support. So if it breaks 1130, 1030, then it will be weaker, as I was explaining earlier. And then if it breaks that level, then we might be going towards 1000 levels as well, which will be a good support. If it doesn't break 1035, then we will be going back towards 1075 and 90 as well, and that will pull back Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So keep that in mind, traders. Let's check some more stocks. For Bajaj Finance and for Bajaj Finserv, I will reserve the analysis for myself for premium members. Let's check one of the auto stock which was in the limelight. So you can see similar kind of pattern here as well. A good dark cloud cover. See, stock was trading at resistance, and then it has fallen, a green candle and then gap up, and then it was not able to sustain above this, and then again in red candle, and then again red candle. So it confirms that it is facing resistance here and getting rejected. So it will be a good short below 380. If it breaks down, then it might fall up to 375, 365 and 362, 60 as well. Only matter is it should not sustain above 380. So if it opens around these levels and won't be able to break the high of yesterday or Friday, that is 389, and if it hovers around these levels, then that will also be a good chance to short, and the trend will continue below 380. So that's it for the coming week, guys. I hope you like my views. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel and hit a like on the like button. Thank you.